Students, in this video, before doing questions, let us do few important concepts of tangents and normal. Now suppose it is a curve, then this line is the tangent. It is the tangent. Let this point be P, x1, y1. Now it is tangent to this curve and normal will be perpendicular to the tangent. Normal will be perpendicular to the tangent. Now this is making angle of 90 degree with this tangent. So it is normal. It is normal. Now slope of tangent, either we write with the dy by dx or we use this alphabet m. Now let us find the equation of a straight line passing through a point x1, y1 and having slope m. Then equation of line will be y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. So it is the equation of the line where a point is given x1, y1 and slope is given m. So y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. This m can also be replaced by dy by dx. Now suppose when 2 points are given, then how to find slope? If x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the 2 points, then slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it will give, after finding the slope when 2 points are given, now let us find the slope when equation of the line in the general form is given. Let ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of the line in the general form. Then m, that is slope, is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, which is equal to minus coefficient of x is a and coefficient of y is b, so minus a upon b. Now angle between two lines, angle between two lines, if m1 and m2 are the slopes, then angle between two lines, that is tan theta, is equal to plus minus m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2 is the angle between two lines. Now let us do perpendicularity condition. Condition of perpendicularity. So what is the condition when the two lines are perpendicular? You have done, condition is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m1 m2 is equal to minus 1 is the condition of perpendicularity. Now how we will get it? Let us see. So when the two lines are perpendicular, then angle between them is 90 degree. Substitute here. So what we will get? We will get tan 90 degree is equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Now tan 90 degree is infinity. or undefined. So m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2 we will get. Now see this, when this term will be undefined, when denominator will be equal to 0, it means we can put its denominator, that is 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0. Why we have substituted it? Because it will be undefined only when denominator is 0. This implies m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So it is the perpendicularity condition. Now let us do condition of parallelism. So when the two lines are parallel. Now these are parallel lines. Lines are parallel when theta will be equal to 0 degree. This implies tan theta or tan 0 is equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Now tan 0 is 0. So 0 is equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Cross multiply. From here what we will get implies m2 minus m1 is equal to 0, implies m1 is equal to m2. So it is the condition when the two lines are parallel, that is m1 is equal to m2. Now these conditions you will learn. So slopes are equal when lines are parallel, and product of the slopes is minus 1. Product of the slopes is minus 1 when lines are perpendicular. Thank you.